Outside tonight, we've got conditions in place for a little bit more rain, and I say a little bit more because we did get some today. Some of you saw these sprinkles, a couple of healthy downpours. But first, let's head outside on the hill this Tuesday night. 2 down, 3 to go until the second weekend of October. Winds are calm. You can see the flags are still, and we've got 81 on the thermometer. Feels like 82, dew point over 60, east wind very light. Today's numbers, boy, look at this. I mean, we're still flirting with 100s. Gonzales at 97 today. That was the same at Carrizo Springs, 94 at Del Rio, 96 at Seguin, New Braunfels, 95 Floresville. We stopped at 93, and that stacks up well above average. I mean, 85 is where we should be stopping. We're getting a fall heat wave or second summer. Only 6 away from an old record. 1937's 99 survives another year. No rainfall in the city today, but watch these showers, and a few of them heavy at times. In fact, you saw a couple of them bloom around Hondo, never really making it up to Medina Lake. I was hoping this would make it, but boy, just barely getting out of Karnes County. And then again, that little burst at about 5:36 p.m. was the last of it. But with the rain, and it follows with a rainbow. Look at this. This is really cool. Partial rainbow over Somerset from KENS 5 eyewitness Sonia Pruski. Now look at this. At first, I thought maybe they're referred to as sundogs. Usually you see those with cirrus clouds, and they develop off of ice crystals rather than water droplets. But this is off water droplets, I'm thinking. And we're just catching like a part of that rainbow. Isn't that cool, though? It's just like one little sliver. All right, let me show you what we've got. We had, again, a frontal boundary that's showing up across North Texas. It's not going to be making it much farther south than maybe the northern hill country before it stalls and retreats. It will not move through San Antonio, so we're not going to see a change. This front stays to our north. But we could see a couple of isolated showers and daytime heating on Wednesday. It'll be far and few between, very similar to what we saw today. But to the tropics for some big moisture makers. Now look at Priscilla off the Baja, huge storm. And then we're waiting for our next named storm, Eastern Pacific. Sometimes these can curve and they can send moisture into South Texas. But we also have a 10% chance of a system developing in the Bay of Campeche. So very, very low probability on that. But here's the newest storm. Tropical storm Jerry has developed just off to the east of the Caribbean, and expected to pretty much take another right turn. Steering currents have been around this Bermuda high and taken the last few systems up into the northern Atlantic, and Jerry's no exception, but cranking up to a Category 2 heading towards Bermuda in the coming days. Let's take a look at the exclusive 14-day forecast from San Fernando Cathedral. Temperatures will stay in the 90s and above average, although it won't be 93 or 94. Instead, we should hover right around 91 or 92. 10% chance of an isolated shower tomorrow. And then into the weekend, rain-free, mostly sunny. Hopefully, as we get into the second set of 7 days, you can see we've got 89 to 86, even 85. And look at some of these mornings, 62, then some 50s. Here we go as we get into the third week of October. We got 2 Wednesdays on this 14-day, and they both have a whopping 10% chance of rain. So it's a hot, dry forecast to continue. Nate Ryan is next with sports.